Now you can see before, after. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen cabinets to soft close, well, you're in luck because this product right here will convert your regular old closing cabinet doors to soft closing. It's inexpensive and it only takes a minute to install. Let me show you. Now, if we take a look at the bag, it's got the instructions right here. And on this side, it's the product. Now, it comes with one soft close adapter and one screw. All you need. Now first, we want to make sure that your existing cabinet hinge will work with this product. All you have to do to test this is close your door with your fingers blocking, like you see. Remove your fingers, and if your door closes automatically, then you have a self-closing door and it'll work perfectly with these hinges. Now this soft close adapter is relatively easy to install. Once you open your doors, you're going to find your hinge side of your door, and it's going to go in the upper corner of that door, just like that. Let me remove the door to give you a closer look. Now here's where our hinges were, and all we have to do is go all the way up to the top of where that door was. It's got a little lip here and all around it that will hook on to the cabinet. Now you're going to want to pre-drill the hole, which as you can see, these are universal for left and right, so there is going to be a hole on either side of the adapter. So whichever hole that you can see, you will be pre-drilling with a 5/64 drill bit. And then using the screw that came with this soft close device, secure it in place. And as quick and easy as that was, we now have soft close. Very nice, doesn't get in the way of anything, it's hidden up there. So yeah, really nice feature to add to your cabinet.